The endless cure in black cumin, nature's treasure for health. Have you ever wondered if there's a single remedy that could target multiple health issues? Something ancient yet relevant, proven by both tradition and modern science? Let me introduce you to black cumin, often called Nigella sativa. This tiny black seed is a powerhouse of health benefits. People have called it the seed of blessing for centuries, and there's a good reason why. It's not just a spice. It's a natural healer with remarkable effects on our body. Today, we'll uncover how black cumin can brighten your skin, regulate your thyroid, and even help burn stubborn belly fat. And we'll explore ways to include it in your daily life. Let's dive into this incredible seed and its wonders. The ancient history of black cumin. Before we delve deeper into its benefits, let's take a moment to appreciate its history. Black cumin has been used for over 2,000 years. It's even said to have been discovered in the tomb of the Egyptian pharaoh Tutankhamun. In ancient times, it was believed to cure everything but death. In Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, black cumin has been a cornerstone of holistic health. Modern science now confirms many of the claims made by our ancestors, and it's exciting to see this ancient wisdom validated by today's research. A natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Did you know that inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases? Conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's often start with unchecked inflammation. Black cumin contains thymoquinone, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. This can help reduce swelling, ease joint pain, and protect your organs from long-term damage. Adding black cumin to your diet might not just ease current issues. It can also help prevent future health complications, strengthening your immune system. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense. A weak immune system leaves you vulnerable to illnesses and infections. Black cumin can help boost your immunity. It's packed with antioxidants that fight harmful free radicals. These antioxidants protect your cells and improve your body's ability to heal itself. Whether it's a common cold or something more serious, black cumin supports your body in fighting back. Boost mental clarity and energy. Feeling foggy or tired all the time? Black cumin doesn't just benefit your physical health. It's also great for your mind. The seeds are rich in essential fatty acids that support brain function. They help improve focus, memory, and overall mental clarity. This makes black cumin a fantastic addition to your morning routine. A simple black cumin tea can energize you and help you stay sharp throughout the day. Supports heart health. Beyond cholesterol, we've already talked about how black cumin lowers cholesterol, but it does much more for your heart. It helps improve blood circulation and reduces blood pressure. These effects work together to keep your heart strong and healthy. For anyone looking to maintain or improve cardiovascular health, black cumin is a must-try. Combats allergies and respiratory issues. Do you struggle with allergies or asthma? Black cumin might provide some relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated airways. It also acts as a natural antihistamine, reducing allergic reactions. Inhaling black cumin oil or sipping on black cumin tea can help open up your respiratory passages. It's a gentle, natural way to breathe easier. How to incorporate black cumin into your daily routine. If you're wondering how to start using black cumin, don't worry. It's incredibly versatile. Here are a few simple ideas. 1. Sprinkle ground black cumin on your salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. 2. Mix black cumin oil with honey for a quick, energizing spoonful in the morning. 3. Add black cumin seeds to your bread or flatbread dough for an extra layer of flavor and nutrition. 4. Brew black cumin tea daily to enjoy its health benefits. A small amount goes a long way, so start slow and adjust based on your taste and needs. Black cumin and skincare DIY face mask for glowing skin. You can go beyond consuming black cumin. You can make a simple face mask at home. Here's a quick recipe. 1. 1 teaspoon of black cumin oil. 2. 2 teaspoons of honey. 3. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix these ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. This mask will nourish your skin, reduce inflammation, and leave you looking radiant. Precautions and tips. While black cumin is incredibly beneficial, a few precautions are worth mentioning. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult a healthcare professional before using it. And as with any natural remedy, moderation is key. Start with small amounts to see how your body responds. A seed of transformation, black cumin is more than just a seed. It's a gateway to better health and vitality, Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve your skin, or support your thyroid, this tiny powerhouse has something for everyone. And the best part? It's affordable, accessible, and easy to use. So why not make it a part of your wellness journey? Give it a try. Your body and your future self will thank you. Remember, nature has all the answers we need, and black cumin is one of its greatest gifts.